Welcome to Bestusefultips. In this video, I will show you how to set wallpaper from the gallery photo on your Samsung One UI 8 version. So in this video, I will show you how to use your gallery application or Google Photo to set the wallpaper on the home screen and lock screen in One UI 8 version. So if you have any Samsung device running the One UI 8, follow this tutorial. So open the gallery application on your device. Select the photo you want to set it on home screen or lock screen. So we select this photo. Now tap on the three vertical dots at the top right corner. Here you can see set as wallpaper option. Tap on it. Now you can see the list of options. You can set wallpaper as a lock screen, home screen, lock and home screen, always on display or wall background. So here we select the home screen option only. So we select home screen. Now here you can see how it looks on your home screen. If you want to set wallpaper, here you can see the suggest option, gallery option, different type of frame, different effects on your device. So tap on the suggest option and it will apply the different suggestion. Here you can see the list of different suggestion you want to set on the device, but we select the default. Tap on apply. Now tap on the gallery to select the another photo on your device. Also you can adjust the photo like this on your device. Now tap on a frame. Now here you can set the frame you want on your One UI 8 version. So select the frame you want to use on your device. So here we select the star option. Now here tap on the color. It will change the background color like this on your device. Tap on erase background to remove the background from the wallpaper you set on your device. So go to frame, select default. If you want to set, tap on a done option at the top right corner. Now you can see say apply to home screen. So quite easy to set the gallery wallpaper on your Samsung One UI 8. Also if you want to use Google Photos, so open the Google Photo application on your device. So we open the Google Photos on my device. Now select the wallpaper, follow the same step, three vertical dots, tap on a use as option. Now tap on a wallpaper and here you can see set wallpaper option at the top. So tap on it. Now set the wallpaper on your device. So quite easy to set the wallpaper from the gallery or Google Photo on your Samsung One UI 8 version. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.